Herbs for toothache of children. A toothache, pulpitis, is when the pulp inside a tooth becomes inflamed and infected. The pulp is the soft part inside the tooth that has blood vessels and nerves. A toothache often happens after an injury to the tooth. The most common form of injury to a tooth is from a cavity. This is a hole in a tooth. A cavity is often the result of poor dental hygiene. Sugar and starch in foods allow bacteria in the mouth to damage the teeth. The bacteria in the mouth feed on sugar and starch and make an acid that can eat through the teeth. This leads to tooth decay. Each child may feel symptoms a bit differently. But below are the most common symptoms of a toothache. Constant, throbbing pain in a tooth. Pain in the tooth that gets worse when the tooth is touched. Pain in the tooth that gets worse with hot or cold foods or liquids. A sore, tender jaw around the tooth. Fever. Generally tired and feeling badly, malaise. Herbs for toothache of children. Clove. Botanical name, Eugenia caryophylatta or Syzygium aromaticum. Originally from the spice islands of Indonesia, cloves hold a revered place in Oriental herbal medicine and cuisine. A potent antiseptic, cloves added to food help prevent foodborne infection and food poisoning. The essential oil is an excellent first aid remedy for mouth ulcers, toothache, and nerve pain in general. Grown extensively in Tanzania and Madagascar, cloves are originally from the Molucca Islands in Indonesia and the southern Philippines. Parts used: essential oil, flower bud, clove. Actions: analgesic, anti-emetic, antioxidant, antiseptic, astringent, stimulant. Best taken as dried flower bud, essential oil, tincture. A clove tucked in the mouth, or 1 drop of essential oil placed on a cotton ball and plugged into a tooth, is a tried and trusted remedy for toothache. It should be used sparingly and the oil should not be placed on the gum. The diluted oil, maximum 3% concentration, may also be applied to the skin to relieve nerve pain elsewhere in the body, such as in shingles. With a positive action on the stomach, small doses of clove powder or tincture make a useful remedy in conditions such as nausea, indigestion, gas, and bloating. Cloves can bring relief in gastroenteritis and diarrhea and can counter infection. Mildly anesthetic, it is worth trying in irritable bowel syndrome, where it may reduce nerve sensitivity within the gut, easing spasms and urgency. Dosage for adult, 2 to 4 grams a day, or 30 grams per week. Dosage for children. From 6 months to 1 year, give 1/10 th the minimum adult dose. From 1 to 6 years, give 1/3 the minimum adult dose. From 7 to 11 years, give half the minimum adult dose. From 12 to 16 years, give the low adult dose. Cautions: external use can cause dermatitis. Do not take essential oil internally.